Hello, and welcome to day 26 of the 30-day meditation challenge. Today, I want to show you how you can develop a regular meditation practice in just 2 minutes a day. But before we get to that, I have some information I want to share with you. When I teach classes in person, I always try to focus on addressing the analytical mind first. So I like to bring some data or some research because I feel like if I address the analytical mind, it helps people open their mind and their heart to a practice that might seem a little weird or hippy dippy or whatever people might think about meditation. And this approach has worked in the past because, typically my audiences are pretty smart. And once I share the data with them, now they're ready to give it a try. So here's what I'd like to share with you. The following information is from a systematic review that synthesizes multiple research databases. It's peer reviewed and was published in Biomedicines in November of 2024. It's available through the National Institutes of Health PubMed Central Database, and you'll find a link in my description box below this video. So here's what that review says. Meditation and mindfulness enhance mental well-being by cultivating awareness and emotional control. It has been shown to induce neuroplasticity, which remember is the brain's ability to change and adapt, increase cortical thickness, reduce amygdala reactivity, and improve brain connectivity, leading to improved emotional regulation and stress resilience. The review specifically notes that key outcomes include changes in brain structure and function, neuroplasticity, and alterations in stress-related biomarkers, meaning the outcomes or the benefits of meditation are measurable. They're quantifiable. So I thought we would start today with a little peer-reviewed information before we move into the 2-minute guided meditation. My suggestion for you for just developing this new habit, just baking in this new practice, is to start with 2 minutes a day. But do it with some reverence. So put it in your calendar. Promise yourself you're going to sit for 2 minutes a day. When you practice, sit, turn off your phone, close your eyes, and approach it like, your daily meditation, even though you're just going to sit there for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to suggest that you use extended exhale breathing to help you develop this habit. We've practiced this earlier in this 30-day meditation challenge, and I'm going to walk you through it again. Research tells us that just 2 minutes of extended exhale breathing in which you breathe deeply and then slow down and extend your exhale. And you repeat that over and over for 2 minutes. Research tells us that just 2 minutes of this breathing dials back the sympathetic nervous system or the body's stress response. So there's some science to support this breathing exercise. And I believe sitting every day for 2 minutes for a length of time that you determine, maybe it's 10 days or 2 weeks or 30 days, whatever you decide. If you will just sit and practice this for 2 minutes a day, you are training your brain and body to allow you to sit still, do a breathing exercise, and then at the end of your 10 days or 30 days, whatever you decide, you'll add a minute or you'll add 3 minutes. You decide. This is you developing a sustainable practice. And then you can use the extended exhale breathing or not. You can pull from everything we've done in this 30-day meditation challenge and design your own daily practice that works for you and practice for the length of time each day that works for you. And then incrementally over time, you add a minute or two. I hope this all makes sense. And this is a very easy way for you to start a sustainable practice. All right, let's move forward with a 2-minute breathing exercise, extended exhale breathing. Make sure you're nice and comfy now. Silence your phone. Close your eyes. I'm going to guide you through 1 minute, and then I'm going to be quiet for the second minute, and then you'll mentally coach yourself and keep going with the extended exhale breathing. So let me set a timer here, and here we go. Nice big inhale here. We're going to count to 4. So inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On your own now. Keep going. Hang in there, you're almost there. And that's 2 minutes. Good job. Good job. Okay. So this is your plan for establishing a regular meditation practice. Just 2 minutes a day. If you don't like this plan, then we'll make a new plan. You're welcome to reach out to me. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for being here, and I'll be back tomorrow.